So I'm just kind of stretching it where I need to stretch it. Blend it wherever you need to blend it. Trim it wherever you need to trim it. Okay, so I'm just kind of blending it there. That seam was, and it looks like it's way too long. So we're gonna give him a little buzz. So that means I'll have to use the scissors to cut through back here. But with the collar I'm planning to put on, you're probably not gonna see this anyway. Better be safe than sorry though. Okay, so let's get some goggles on him. So we're gonna go back to, let's go to a lighter brown. Okay, goggles. So we need circles. I think I have circle cutters. Ooh, that would make it easy. Wow. Cool. All right. So let me cut 2 of these and see if I like this. Why do they wear goggles? I have no idea. It's all about the goggles though. So what we'll do is paint the inside of that with one color and the outside with another. I didn't even put water on that and it's stuck. Let you fall off. I can't see. I'm blind. I'm blind. Okay, and then I'll do a cord and pop the cord around. Or, no, it's got to be a cord. No, sometimes these silly thoughts come into my head. No, no, no. Go away, silly thought. Alrighty, rolling, 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 rolling. Okay. Little water. Actually, I think I'm going to join them up here. That way, when I join the 2 together, okay, and then we'll do the little strap holding them together. And I suppose I should put a little piece like down the side so it looks like they're actually attached somehow. Pop it like behind there. And I think I will do a little design on these and get rid of those. I just kind of pulled that down in the middle. I think I like that better. Okay, a little bit more hair up in that area. I'm going to do a piece that goes all along there. Don't want it to be too long. I won't do too much at the top because when I press it on, I'll be able to do more there. I want to take some of this out. So I just pull on it, get it out. Little water, way up in there. And let's do a little trim in here.